Hello, and we're back here again on the JPS website, and we're going to be doing some more talking about the calendar application that's a part of the website. It's a pretty nifty little tool. It lets you do a lot. So we're going to look at another functionality of that, which is to be able to connect the calendaring application in the website directly to your local Outlook calendar. And when you do that, everything will be updated. You'll always get the current events, so you don't have to go looking through 4 different places to find your events. So the first thing we're going to do is go look at the calendar. So we're going to take a look at the calendar here, click the icon. The very first thing you've got to do though is you've got to go ahead and make sure that you have all of the calendars that you want to see. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to click the little pencil again and look at my calendars, and right now I've got the JPS main calendar plus 3 additional calendars. Now I might want to add 1 or 2 calendars. You know, you have to be very careful. Sometimes you get so many calendars that you just can't find anything. But you know what? I really am interested in maybe exceptional education. So I'm going to click exceptional education and athletics, and I'm going to click I'm done. And then I'm done again. And now I'm going to make sure I check my categories, because I really only have 3 categories, but I did check athletics. So I want to make sure that I get the athletics category, and I want to make sure that I have any other categories selected that I might be interested in. So I'm going to click I'm done. And now I've got all of the calendars and all of the categories selected that I want to see. So the next, you'll see as you flip through, you've got lots of events on the calendar there. So what I'm going to do at this point is click this green iCal feed button. Now there's going to be instructions if you're trying to connect it to Microsoft Outlook or another calendar program, but because this is JPS and we all use Microsoft Outlook, I'm going to show you just that one way today. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click this, and when it does, it's going to download the file. Alright, now you'll see down here in the left hand corner the file is downloading because I'm in Chrome. If you are in Firefox, the file download is going to be up here at the top. Either way, you're going to have to get that download. Okay? At that point, when it's done, I'm going to simply click the file, and it's going to install my calendar in the other calendar section down here at the bottom of your screen. It brings it in as untitled, so if you would like to rename it at that point, you can. You can also overlay the calendar, and that will, instead of being side by side, it'll kind of all be here in a tab at the top. But I'm going to leave mine just like it is, because I know that the green event, the untitled calendar, is going to be all of the JPS events that are there. The other thing you can do is you can copy and paste. So if you copy, it's going to copy this URL, and then when you're in your Microsoft Outlook, you can simply add the calendar. All you need to do is right click, then left click on Add Calendar from the internet, and then simply paste in that URL and say OK. Do I want to add this calendar to Outlook and subscribe? I'm going to say yes. And basically what that means is I'm going to get all of the new events that are added to the JPS calendar will automatically be added to my desktop Outlook calendar. Now if you have your cell phone connected to your Outlook calendar, all of these things will now also appear on your cell phone. But if you don't, then I'm going to show you how to do that in our next video. Thanks, and have a great day.